welcome back to another video. Actually, I had the bread. I forgot the bread. In the kitchen adventures. In the kitchen adventures. I should grab the poster. Where is it? In the kitchen adventures. It's Mayhem today. It's Mayhem. I'm forgetting things. I'm going crazy and I don't know what I'm doing with bread. Yeah, in the kitchen. In the kitchen adventures. Alright. I get 2 slices of bread. Two slices of bread. I do have 2 slices of bread. I didn't bread this much. 2 slices of bread. Alright, we put you right on there. We're gonna taste it later. I wonder how that's gonna work. We'll see. Stay. I'll put the bread away. Right, we're gonna make eggs. We're gonna add cheese to it a little bit later. And I don't need mayo because I'm gonna add a bit of dash of green to it. And garlic and salt. And pepper. Firstly, we need to crack the eggs and whisk it with a fork. Let's put it back in there, don't worry guys. The egg cooks fast. I do have salmon. I do have a can of salmon somewhere. I think. Or did I use it? I think I used it. Unless that's all over for me. Either I used the salmon or I'm gonna stop the salmon for me. Whisk the eggs. Whisk, 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 whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Alright. Salt. And some pepper. And then while we add it, we can add some oregano. That's some oregano to it. And a bit of rosemary. I don't know how this is going to taste, but we'll see. I'm going to add dash of cream in a minute after I put on the stove. So we come here. You can see. Okay, I'll get So what about 7? I grab that much butter will do. Put it in 7. I'll put the butter away. We clean up as we go, guys. Clean up as we go. I'm about to have some megaliths as well. Oh, megaliths. We clean up as we go, guys. We clean up as we go. Oh, maybe we can toast it in the pan. Well, since we're using the pan, why not would use the pan instead of using the get ready with the eggs. Get ready to use the cream. I have to open the cream. There. It's very hard to open it. Right. Get the right. In go the eggs. Quick dash, just a dash, not too much, of cream. Yum. And then we're going to add a bit of garlic to it. That will do. Will do. We'll add pepper a little bit later, because if you add the pepper to the eggs that is now, that it will go rubbery, and you don't want your eggs to be rubber. You just like rubber. No, you don't. How do I know this? How do I know that? Well, I've heard it on YouTube. I've heard it on YouTube and Instagram. You have to keep stirring the eggs. Keep stirring it. Once it's cooked, we can take it off the heat. Don't worry, I'm going to use that remaining butter for something. We'll see in a minute. I really need to put the eggs in something before it's done. I'll put it in there. This smells good already, guys. Yeah, so if you add the pepper now, it will go rubbery. I've put that on Instagram and on YouTube. Some people were making eggs for International Egg Day. There was no really an International Egg Day. There isn't. But so some people make their own day up, like like International Egg Day or Global Egg Day or something like that. This is easy to make, and it's also simple and quick. Right, I'm just going to turn it off. That to the side. There's the bread. I'll put the bread. Actually, we might need a bit more butter. So. Put the bread like that. I get the butter, not the cream, the butter. Very low heat on 2. You don't do this unless you're a professional chef. True. Right? Now we get the eggs.